Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic will be the Excel formula series on the usage of COUNTIF. Okay, so basically this COUNTIF, okay, there are two different things. One is the single criteria and the other one is a multiple criteria. So for each of formulas, it's better to use the multiple criteria. Well, at the end, it can be used for single criteria as well. When come to future or moving forward, you want to include additional things, we don't need to amend the formulas, and don't only the two amend things when your formulas come very complex. Okay, basically this come if formulas. So this is COUNTIF. Okay, first one, and then second one is COUNTIF with S. Okay, so these two different is this one, okay, is the single criteria, the other one is multiple criteria. So we'll use this more often. Okay, so and for the this practice and in this video, right, we're using COUNTIF with S as well. Okay, so basically this one is like for the summary usage, and that's why in over here you can see there's a detail and summary. Okay, then we move to the example. So we're moving to build the data set. Okay, and for example, we using the customer inform pay, let's say the name of the customer, and then their country. Okay, and also we can even put the gender. Okay, this is another unique criteria. This is female or male only, and also what's the things, and we can use over there. Basically, we can think of maybe the, let's say, the product. Okay, their use. Okay, the product can be many things, and also the quantity. Okay, so over here we can see there are 4 different criteria. Okay, so over here we just build samples here. Testing, and what else? Maybe we just put 5 will be more than enough. And for these things, I just put like Muhammad. Okay. Think about this one, maybe Asing, and what else? Like we think we put Patty better, and Peter. Okay, so for this Ali, we maybe can put as a Malaysia. Okay, this one is Indonesia. This one also put as Malaysia, and then Asing we just put under China. Patty we can put as under US. Okay, Peter also US. So this one is male, 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 and then female and male. We can put another one as well, Christine, and we just put US, female, just to make things much better. So from here we can put like something like, okay, apple, so 10 apples. Okay, other than apple, this one we can put here, also put apple 50, and jeans, can put Coke over here, so Coke. So jeans, that's okay. This one we put as 100, 120. Jeans also just put 5. This 200. Okay, so from here example this one and then make it as a tables. Okay, and between this one I'm using the desktop version. Okay, because I want to use formula to explain. Okay, so that you can see it better. Okay, from here let's say the countries over here. So because this one we cannot use the things, right? Okay, so from here we can see there are only 3 countries over here. Okay, so this is the country. So we can see a country background over here. Okay, this is country, gender also, male and female. So this exercise will be very fast. Okay, so from here we can see the count over here. If we are not using the pivot tables, we can use the formula to generate. Okay, when anything's added, right, we can use it. Okay, and then product. Okay, product basically we have these 3. Okay, so basically why I'm using table, later on you can see when I do the changes, right, I no need to do the complicated formulas. Okay, so it will include the ranges. Okay, like for example the row increasing, right, the data size increase, so it will change as well. So for quantity, okay, so our quantities here we can put based on the range. Okay, this one's, right, we can put less than 10. More than 10. Okay, or maybe you just put between 10 to 100. Okay, so and the rest is like, okay, more than 100, so just put these 3, more than enough. Okay, so as you can see, these are the 3 criteria. So from here, right, I mentioned, okay, this is only 1 criteria, but we're using this one. Okay, so criteria range 1, what's the criteria range 1? So the range 1 referring to, since this is country, right, okay, so we are using this one. Okay, and for this ones, right, okay, because the tables I didn't do anything, so it will copy the same. It will just by default using the table 1. I can change it later on. Okay, so whenever you want to use absolute reference, right, you must do some things like this. Okay, and from here, what's the things? So from here, right, because it's the same sheet over here, that's why we will not use the summary there, and then we just close the bracket. Okay, that's it. Then the formulas over here, we just drag it. Okay, so we get the count over here. Okay, for the gender over here, we do the same also. Basically anything anything changes, right? Okay, you can see the good things of the tables. If you do the proper namings, right, over here, so you can put the gender, and also you see this one's, right, when I type GEN, I just type tab, it will automatic copy all these things. Okay, this one is not A2, basically it's A8. Okay, so from here I just drag another things. Oh, sorry, there's another one is Indonesia, that's why it doesn't get the complete result, because basically they are all together got 7. Okay, so from here we can get the total. So total, the shortcut we can use alternate equal sign, shift equal. Seems like my key is not very working, so I got no choice. Okay, this is the total, and similarly I just copy like this, it can reflect directly. Okay, the same things over here. So this one I need to change little bit over here. This one I change to product. Okay. Once I change, I done. Okay, I just drag it. Okay, the next one, the last one over here, this one size difference. I can use this one. Basically, I need to use with the condition one. This is the things that I purposely do it. Okay, so this one I just put quantity. For this one, okay, because the thing is, okay, you need to put something like this one is less than 10. Okay, and you can change this one. This one is for this case, right? Okay, what you're going to do is like more than 10. Less than 100, because over here this one we will put this. So from here I think we need to copy like this. The second criteria will be okay. So this is how it looks like. So unfortunately I can use a short key. I'm not sure what happens. Okay, so we can double verify over here. So for less than 10 one, there are 2 count over here. Yes, we have these 2 counts. Okay, let's say this one is like 10, in between 10 to 100, and we need to inclusive the 10 and less than 100. Okay, this one there are 2 counts over here. As you can see over here, 10 and 50. Here there's 2 and remaining is 1, 2, 3. Okay, all these things look steady.